Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Talks, your favorite podcast for simple English conversations that make your daily life better. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Emma. Thank you so much for tuning in again. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss our weekly talk.
All right, Emma. Today's topic is one that sounds small, but actually means a lot. Small talk you need to know.
Exactly. You know, small talk may sound like simple chatting about weather, work, or daily stuff, but it's actually a big part of how we connect with people.
So, Emma, let's start with a question. What is small talk really?
Good question. Small talk means simple conversation that helps people start communication. It's light, easy, and polite. It's not deep, but it builds comfort.
Yeah, like when you meet someone new and say, "Hey, how's your day going?" Or "The weather's nice today, isn't it?"
Exactly. It's not about what you say. It's about making others feel comfortable. Small talk opens the door for real conversation. Exactly. It's not about what you say. It's about making others feel comfortable. Small talk opens the door for real conversation.
Exactly. It's not about what you say. It's about making others feel comfortable. Small talk opens the door for real conversation.
Right. Whether you're at a job interview, a coffee shop, or a party, small talk can make people remember you in a good way.
And it's super helpful if you're learning English. It helps you practice daily phrases, pronunciation, and confidence.
Yes. And remember, small talk is not about talking a lot. It's about sharing positive energy.
Okay, let's share some easy small talk topics that anyone can use.
Sure. Number 1, the weather. It's the most classic topic. For example, it's really sunny today, or looks like it might rain later. Ryan.
Number 2, work or studies. You can say, "How's work going?" or "Are your classes busy this week?"
Number 3, compliments. Everyone loves compliments. Try saying, "I like your jacket," or "Your accent is really nice."
Number 4, weekend plans. That's always fun. You can ask, "Any plans for the weekend?" Or, "How was your weekend?"
And number 5, food or coffee. You can start with, "This coffee shop has great vibes." Or, "Do you like spicy food?"
Now, there are also some topics you should avoid when making small talk.
Right. Don't talk about religion, politics, money, or personal problems. Those can make people uncomfortable.
Right? Don't talk about religion, politics, money, or personal problems. Those can make people uncomfortable.
Exactly. Try to keep it light and friendly, not heavy or serious.
All right, Emma. Now let's share some tips to help our listeners get better at small talk.
All right, Emma. Now let's share some tips to help our listeners get better at small talk.
Tip number 2, listen carefully. People love when you show interest. Nod, say yeah, or "I see," keep the talk natural.
Tip number 3, use body language. Maintain eye contact. Stand or sit comfortably, and don't cross your arms.
Tip number 4, ask open questions. Instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" ask, "What made your day good today?" It keeps the conversation going.
And tip number 5, practice daily. You can start small, say hello to your neighbor, or talk to your classmate for 1 minute every day.
Let's do a quick example of small talk, shall we?
Sure, let's pretend we meet at a coffee shop. Sure, let's pretend we meet at a coffee shop.
No, please go ahead.
Thanks. The place smells amazing. Do you come here often? Yeah, I love their cappuccino. What about you?
It's my first time here, but I'm already a fan.
See? That's small talk. It's natural, short, and friendly. You don't need perfect grammar, just confidence.
See? That's small talk. It's natural, short, and friendly. You don't need perfect grammar, just confidence.
Yes. Practice a little every day, and soon you'll find it easy to start conversations anywhere.
And remember, every hello can turn into a great opportunity if you say it with a smile.
Beautifully said, Ryan. And thank you to everyone listening. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
We'll be back soon with another episode to help you grow in life and communication.
Till then, keep talking, keep learning, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.